Hello everyone, welcome back to Explore Electronics. In this video, let's see model question paper released by VTU for 2022 CBCS scheme for the subject Introduction to Electrical Engineering with the code 22ESC142. So let us look into the model question paper. These questions given in the model question paper with respect to the module-wise syllabus. You can see here in the left side I have Introduction to Electrical Engineering. This is the syllabus copy, the complete syllabus. In the right side I have the model question paper released by VTU for 2022 scheme. You can see the module 1. In module 1 we have Introduction to Energy Sources and then Power Generation and DC Circuits. This is our syllabus for first module. In this module you can see the question paper with neat single line diagram explain the various steps of electrical power transmission and distribution. One theory question they have given at the starting on power transmission. So then state and explain Kirchhoff current law and voltage law. This is very important. It is repeatedly asked in the examinations regarding KCL and KVL. And then we will be having one problem. Here we need to find out the current through these resistors, two parallel resistors connected, and these kind of questions will be repeated. So one problem will be there and one or two theory part questions will be there. You can see here marks allocated are 6, 6 and 8. So this question carries 8 marks and these two carry 6 and 6 marks. So coming to the second part means module 1 R. You need to answer this part or you need to answer this part completely. So if you look at the second question of again module 1, again there is a theory question here, hybrid power generation, and then we need to explain Ohm's law. Then we have a problem on again series and parallel circuits. We need to find out the current through 2 ohm resistor. This is how the module 1 questions can be expected. You will be having some theory part also and one problem will be there. You need to answer at least this problem or this problem if you choose one or two questions. This is module 1. Coming to module 2. Module 2 is about AC fundamentals, that is AC circuits, single phase and 3 phase. You can see here in the single phase and 3 phase, the first question is on the different parameters on a sine wave, RMS value, average value, form factor, peak factor, phase and phase difference we need to explain. And then show the current through the purely capacitive circuit. Here they have given purely capacitive circuit, and related to that we need to draw and explain the current voltage, leading, lagging things. And the third question or 3C is again a problem on inductive coil, on inductor. If you see the choice part in 4A, again you have RL circuit. You need to write the phase, angle, impedance, power, everything related to RL circuit. Again a problem is there. This problem is on again resistance and inductance connected in series. This problem is on RL circuits. Again in C you have RL connected in star fashion. So this is 3-phase problem. So you can easily guess the questions in module 2, like you will be having one derivation or related to some theory explanation related to purely capacitive circuit or inductive or RLC, RL, these kind of things you can see over here, and one problem will be there related to that. And coming to 3-phase also, they will be asking one problem for sure on star and delta connections. This is about module 2. Then coming to module 3, look at module 3 now. In module 3 we have DC generator and DC motor, right? So DC generator explanation and construction is in 5A, and you can see here various method to control DC series motor. This is in 6A. And coming to B question, explain the armature torque developed in the DC motor. It is again a theory question. Here also EMF equation of a DC generator. This is theory question. Here also you will be having one problem. Here also you will be having one problem. So this is for problem is for 8 marks here. Here theory part is more. Likewise, they are going to divide the question of 20 marks into a problem part and a theory part. Here also you can expect one problem from DC motor. You can see here and also here. So you will get one problem for sure. Coming to module 4. What we have in module 4? Transformers and 3-phase induction motors. Here also again derive the EMF equation for the transformer question is there. And need diagram explain types of three-phase induction motors. These are theory questions. And coming to choice question, various losses in the transformer they have asked and how to minimize them. And explain the concept with the diagram of rotating magnetic field. And one transformer problem, it is given, asked to calculate the efficiency at full load and efficiency at half load like this. And three-phase induction motor related problem will be there here. So this is how the module 4 questions are given. Coming to module 5. Module 5 is about domestic wiring, electric bill, safety measurements and personal safety measures. Here you can expect all the theory questions. Module 5. With need diagram explain switching table and two-way, three-way control of load, and then our working of fuse, earthing. These are the repeated questions. You can expect these in your examinations also. Here related to earthing, fuse and two-way, three-way switch and all. They are repeated questions. Even if you look at the previous exam question papers, you will find these questions. And also define unit used for consumption of electrical energy. This question is also repeated related to tariff. And what is electric shock and preventive measures against shock, and list out the power rating household applications including AC, laptops, printers like that. So this part is completely a theory part. You can expect a theory question in exam also. Since there is no such calculative part or the problematic part here, you may get a problem if it is there, if any small problems related to calculation of tariff like that. And coming to 1 to 4 modules, you will be having a problems for sure. You need to answer at least one problem for attending a complete question. Module 1 to module 4, we found that one problem will be there and 2 theory questions are there. Sometimes 2 small problems will be there with 1 theory question. So this is about introduction to electrical engineering model paper. Let me solve this model paper completely and give you the answers so that you can refer what actually the answer to be written for the asked question for that particular marks. So you need to mainly focus on for what marks they have asked. For it, if it is asked for 6 marks, you need to answer how much. If it is asked for 8 marks, you need to write extra related to that. It requires more explanation. So let me solve this introduction to electrical engineering model paper completely and give you the solutions in the coming videos. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more such videos.